To access the License Manager, you can go to screencastify.com and click on My Account. From here, you can see information about your subscription, about your billing, and to get to your License Manager, click on Users. From here, you might see one of three separate options. The first is if you have a single license. If you have a single license, you can choose to assign that to another user by typing in their email address here. Once you click Save, that new email address will now be able to use the Screencastify Unlimited license that you purchased. Please note that this must be a Google account that the license is assigned to, or they will not be able to sign in and use the unlimited license. The second option that you might see is this gray box that says how many total number of licenses you have available and how many you have already assigned. From here, you can choose to add on additional users by heading to Manage Licenses and then entering in the email of the license that you would like to assign. Once you click Enter, that person will now have access to your Screencastify Unlimited subscription. The last option that you might see is a green box that indicates that your unlimited plan is active. In this case, to ensure that everyone can access Screencastify, all you need to do is add the domain that they use to sign in. So for example, screencastify.com. Please note that you do not need to use an @ symbol, just the domain itself. If you have multiple domains, such as if your students use a different domain to log in, then you can add any additional domains here as well. As soon as you hit enter and the changes are saved, anyone that is using that domain to log into Screencastify will be able to access your unlimited subscription. Please note that everyone must use a Google account in order to access their Screencastify subscription, and that Google account needs to match the domains that are listed here.